Okay, we've just been told that our correspondent Shiva Priyam, who's in Bangalore, has the Karnataka Congress spokesperson with him. Shiva Priyam, please go ahead. We'd like to hear what he has to say.
He's also Congress spokesperson at Centre, but newly appointed.
Yeah, actually I have with me now Nivedita Alva, the Karnataka Congress spokesman. So your first reactions to the victory that the Congress is heading now?
The first reaction is that it is in keeping with what we believed it would be. The trends are a little early right now, and the funny thing is that every channel is showing a different number, so one doesn't really know what quite to believe. In fact, the regional media has already put us at 110 leads, which the national media doesn't seem to be following, and we are pretty confident that we will get to the number that we need on our own.
Sir, is the Congress confident of a single majority or even an absolute majority? Simple or an absolute majority? What is your hope now?
The Congress is very confident of a majority on its own, and we have always maintained this.
No, but what do you think? Do you think it's a vote against BJP or it's a vote for Congress?
Like I mentioned, I don't think we sat back and relied on the BJP to help for the BJP to help us deliver Karnataka. The party leadership over here has worked very, very hard, and what I sort of would like to make a clear point is that everyone seems to be today putting this on the BJP delivering it to us. I don't think that is the case at all. The organization on the ground has worked very hard from the booth level all the way up to every senior leader over here to be able to get to this position.
So are you coming to say that it's a positive vote for the Congress?
There is, I will not deny that misgovernance over the past 5 years have not played a role, but I would also like to be very clear about the fact that we have worked very hard for this victory as well.
Yeah, now the trends show that you people are performing very well in North Karnataka. Yeah. So can you just share something on that? Because North Karnataka last time the Congress did not win many seats in North Karnataka. So what do you think has changed the prospects this time?
I think the leadership working on the ground with real issues, the special status which came in thanks to the union government, the Congress government at the centre, the Bangalore to Bellary Padyatra which the KPCC had organised, the various Padyatras which have been conducted in the state across this region have played a major role in this.
Yeah, but the interesting fact is now, as far as the trend shows, the BJP has been relegated to the third position. The JDS is coming the second, has taken the second position. What has the Congress got to say about this particular development? Because the BJP is in the third position right now.
For the BJP, the writing has been on the wall for a while. It's whether they choose to read it or not. With regard to the JDS, we should wait for it to turn around and see how it is. But the fact is that they play their politics by always trying to split the secular vote, and that is clearly what they've attempted to do again. But I think we should wait till the results are out for that.
Yeah, so if the Congress is now heading towards a majority, so if the Congress gets the mandate, will it delay the process of selecting the chief minister, or you people will form the government in a very short time? So how does the Congress go about it? Because there have been instances of Congress taking more than a week to form a government despite getting majority. So what is the Congress plan right now?
I think first of all we should wait for the results to be in. Any talk is premature before that. And secondly, and more importantly, the Congress is a national party. Deciding on a chief minister and who should be chief minister and how a government is to be formed is not something that is new to the Congress party, and we will cross that bridge when we come to it.
All right, Shiv Priyan. Thank you, Shiv Priyan, for bringing us that update. Of course, Nivedita Alva there speaking exclusively to NewsX. He is the spokesperson of the Congress, of course, in Karnataka, and talking about how it is a victory of the Congress and not really the BJP laying it out on a platter for them. But it looks like the Congress will have to go and congratulate or thank Yediyurappa.